In this video, we shall learn the names of straits found in different parts of the world. In this video, we shall also come across the word Gulf. The word Gulf refers to a small water body surrounded by land from three sides. Well, what is a strait? A strait is a naturally formed, narrow, typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. Most commonly, it is a channel of water that lies between two land masses. So if I take up the strait found around India, the first one would be the Palk Strait. It connects the Bay of Bengal at northeast end to Gulf of Mannar at western end. Next one, the Malacca Strait. It separates peninsular Malaysia from Sumatra Island of Indonesia. This strait connects Pacific Ocean at its southeast end to Indian Ocean at its northwest end. It provides shorter route for ships traveling from Indian Ocean, that is Andaman Sea, to South China Sea and saves thousands of kilometers, and this is the reason why it is the busiest waterway. Next one, Makassar Strait. It is a strait that lies between the islands of Borneo and Sulawesi in Indonesia. To the north, it joins the Celebes Sea, while to the south, it meets the Java Sea. Next one, the Sunda Strait. It connects Java Sea to Indian Ocean and separates Java Islands of Indonesia with its Sumatra Islands. Next one, the Tsugaru Strait. It is a strait that lies between Honshu and Hokkaido in northern Japan, connecting the Sea of Japan with the Pacific Ocean. Next one, the Strait of Tartary or the Gulf of Tartary. It is a strait in the Pacific Ocean dividing the Russian island of Sakhalin from mainland Asia, that is southeast Russia, connecting the Sea of Okhotsk on the north with the Sea of Japan on the south. Next one, the Taiwan Strait or the Formosa Strait. It separates the islands of Taiwan, that is of the Republic of China, from mainland China, that is People's Republic of China. The strait is part of South China Sea and connects to the East China Sea to the north. Let us look at the straits that lie around Arab countries. First one, Hormuz Strait, connects the Persian Gulf with the Gulf of Oman and separates the United Arab Emirates and Oman in the west to Iran in the east. It is the strategically most important strait of the world as it controls the oil trade from the Gulf countries. Next one, the Strait of Bab el Mandeb, connects Red Sea with Gulf of Aden. It separates Asia from Africa. Next one is the Mozambique Strait. Mozambique Strait lies in the Indian Ocean. It separates Mozambique, which is the mainland Africa, and Madagascar. Let us have a look at the straits that lie around the Mediterranean Sea. The first one is Bosporus Strait. Well, it is a natural strait connecting the Black Sea to the Sea of Marmara, which in turn is connected to the Aegean Sea and then the Mediterranean Sea. So, it provides a passage from the Black Sea to the strategically important Mediterranean Sea. It is also the world's narrowest navigable strait. Next one is the Strait of Otranto. It connects the Adriatic Sea with the Ionian Sea and separates Italy from Albania. Next one is the Strait of Messina. It is a narrow strait that lies between the eastern tip of Sicily and the western tip of Calabria in the south of Italy. It connects the Tyrrhenian Sea to the north with the Ionian Sea to the south with the central Mediterranean. Next one, the Strait of Bonifacio. It is a strait which lies between Corsica and Sardinia. It is named after the Corsican town Bonifacio. It divides the Tyrrhenian Sea from the western Mediterranean Sea. Next one, the Dardanelles Strait. It is a vital transportation bridge between the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. It is a narrow channel of water that connects the Aegean Sea to the Sea of Marmara. It separates Asian Turkey from European Turkey, that is Thrace. So, it also separates the two continents, that is Africa and Europe. Next one, the Strait of Gibraltar. It is a narrow strait that connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea and separates the Gibraltar and Peninsular Spain in Europe from Morocco and Ceuta, that is Spain, in Africa. Coming to the straits around Australia. The first one is the Torres Strait. It lies between Australia and Melanesian island of New Guinea. To the south is Cape York Peninsula, the northernmost continental extremity of the Australian state of Queensland. To the north is the western province of Papua New Guinea. Next one, the Bass Strait. It is a sea strait separating Tasmania from Australian mainland, especially the state of Victoria. Next one is the Cook Strait. This lies between the North and the South Islands of New Zealand. It connects the Tasman Sea on the northwest with the South Pacific Ocean on the southeast and runs next to the capital city, Wellington. Next one is the Foveaux Strait. It separates Stewart Island from the South Island. We come to North America. Here the straits are, first one is the Yucatan Channel or the Strait of Yucatan. It is a strait between Mexico and Cuba. It connects the Yucatan Basin of the Caribbean Sea with the Gulf of Mexico. Then it is Florida Strait. It is located southeast of the North American mainland, generally accepted to be between the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean and between the Florida Keys, that is US and Cuba. Then it is the Hudson Strait. It links the Atlantic Ocean and Labrador Sea to Hudson Bay in Canada. This strait lies between Baffin Island and Nunavik with its eastern entrance marked by Cape Chedley in Quebec and Resolution Island of Baffin Island. Then it is Davis Strait. It is a northern arm of the Labrador Sea. It lies between mid-western Greenland and Nunavut, Canada's Baffin Island. It connects Baffin Bay to the Atlantic Ocean. Coming to South America. Next one is the Strait of Magellan. It is also called the Straits of Magellan. It is a navigable sea route separating the mainland, that is South America, to the north and Tierra del Fuego to the south. The strait is the most important natural passage between the Atlantic and Pacific. Coming to Greenland, here it is the Denmark Strait or the Greenland Strait. It is an oceanic strait between the Iceland to its southeast and Greenland to its northwest. Then it is the Strait of Dover or the Dover Strait. Now it is a strait at the narrowest part of the English Channel. It joins the Channel and the North Sea, separating the Great Britain from continental Europe. Then it is the North Channel. It is a strait between northeastern Ireland and southwest Scotland. It connects the Irish Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. Coming to straits found along Arctic Ocean. First one, the Bering Strait. It connects the Arctic Ocean and the East Pacific Ocean near the countries of US and Russia. In other terms, it can also be said that this strait connects Asia and America. At the narrowest point, its width is 82 kilometers. On one side lies Cape Desne, Russia, while on the other side lies Cape Prince Wales, Alaska, which belongs to US.